But what do you know? I swing around long enough, and my new upgraded spider sense points me towards a fragment. Definitely sensing something from inside the, jungle room? Hey, look at that! If it isn't Mr. Tablet Fragment, right there waiting for me to grab it. Which can only mean one thing. It's... trapped! Gotcha! That wasn't so bad, actually. Oh, come on!
Rest now, my prey. Save your strength. For when you awake, we begin the hunt.
Kraven, that maniac. Where is he taking me this time? What horrible death trap will I have to overcome? Hey, this is a pretty nice view, actually. Okay, let's see where this goes.
Welcome, Spider-Man. Welcome to the jungle. This rock, it holds great power, no? I could use it to crush you, like a bug.
That wouldn't be very sporting of you, would it?
Ah, you speak a great truth. Let it be your prize, then. If you can survive my gauntlet. Your powers against my skills. Your brain against mine. Come, enter my game of death. Claim your trophy, if you dare. Come, my friend. Do not delay. The Grim! Hurry! Hurry!
So you want me to run through the jungle? Should I not look back?
Do not mock me, Spider-Man!
Wow, you're awfully touchy for a guy who wears leopard print pants. Keep your tights on, I'm coming.
Come, come! We have only scratched the surface!
Seeing you so excited is creeping me.
Yes, there is much for you to experience here. Traps, long-range weapons, and of course, hand-to-hand combat.
How cute! You put together your own boy band.
My disciples. They've come to study at the foot of the master, to learn the art of the hunt from the greatest hunter of all.
And the most modest.
You dare mock me in front of my students?
No, in front of your boy band.
Men, remember what I have taught you. Strike hard, strike fast, and show no mercy.
Yeah, let's see if you've got what it takes. Ooh, I'm scared.
There he is! It seems my men have not proved much of a challenge for you.
Are you kidding? Those guys were...
Really?
Ooh, is this a private fight, or can I join in? Score! I'm Spider-Man. That's what I do. I break pots.
For Kraven!
For the thrill of the hunt!
Hey, you talk like
Active
him, too.
evasion
Lions
is
head
crucial
best for
when
everyone.
being attacked. Roll out of the way.
Got your nose.
Come! The jungle still holds many surprises.
I'm sorry, were you saying something?
Wait for him to come within range. When you have the shot, take it!
I guess this begins the bullet dodging portion of the festivities. I could do this all night. Anybody else?
Hey, no hitting!
Do you not feel it now? The blood pounding in your veins. The thrill that rouses the...
Try a web strike on this one.
Say uncle! Ooh, is this a private fight, or can I join it? Bad guy, corner punch. Got your nose. Spider sense. Fiery spear. Point taken. Another boy band? Are you guys gonna sing for me? Private fight, or can I join? And stay dead. Stop hitting your face with my fist.
I can strike from a distance.
That'll do. Well, that was a pleasant way to spend a few idle minutes. Spider-Man. That's what I do. I break pots. Pop. Anybody else? Thanks for playing.
It's the webhead!
Take this, yo! Take that!
That solves that.
Oh, what did I just say? Yikes! Don't think it's gonna work. Gonna have to find another way. Oh, come on! Sorry, I'm allergic to bullets. They ruin my complexion.
You cannot dodge forever.
And some for you.
Can you dodge this time? Get! How could I miss?
Kerpow! First come, first served.
You shall not escape. Can you dodge this time?
Here we go. First come, first served.
You test my patience.
I win again. I'll keep dishing it out if you keep taking it. Sword.
Now, you die. There. Now.
Don't crowd now. You'll all get your turn. I promise. Take that! Not bad, if I do say so myself. Not bad, if I do say so myself.
Don't let him get behind us.
Look, he ran up the wall. You're good to go.
That was the best you could do. Look at me go!
What are you so scared of, Spider-Man?
Can you dodge this time? Yet.
Next. Stop hitting your face with my fist.
I don't believe it.
Look at me go! dishing it out if you keep taking it.
Fantastic!
Let me guess. 2 men enter, 1 man leaves. Am I right? Wow, love your headdress. Is that from the Skull Collection? May I suggest an accoutrement? Perhaps something from the Webbing Collection. Ah, classic. Oh, hello. Take that. Wow. Anybody else? No?
Still he lives. I thought I taught you better than that. I promised to show you a true hunt. I promised you a victory. And I am a man of my word. And now, the end game.
He's blinded by the thrill of the hunt. Wait for him to lunge, then strike.
I'll keep dishing it out if you keep taking it.
Activate the spikes! Thank you. Now, I will suffer your existence no more! The next.
Now!
Doesn't that outfit chafe?
Let us
The moment is now. Attack!
I knew I should have stayed in today.
The best offense is a good defense.
Go juggle beehives. I think you'd be more relaxed if you took up other hobbies. Just think about it. Kraven the golfer. I think you'd be more relaxed if you took up other hobbies. Just think about it. Kraven the golfer.
Now you will feel Kraven's wrath.
Doesn't that outfit chafe?
That is how it is done. Like the eagle. Dance, spider. You are in trouble, my friend. You are in trouble, my friend.
Go juggle beehives.
A sharp surprise for you, spider. Goodbye.
Lights out, Kraven. And this hunt is over. And as the victor, I command you to leave. Holy cow, that worked. All right, let's find Kraven. I'm Spider-Man, that's what I do. I break pots.
My men have abandoned me because of you. You made a mockery of my teachings.
It wasn't so much a mockery as a complete shambles.
I have failed. And now I have nothing left. No dignity. No honor.
Sergey, don't do something you're gonna regret.
Nothing to stop me from using this.
Great, you did something I'll regret. Whoa, where'd he...
Right behind you. Such power. I have the speed of the tiger, the strength of the lion, and like the great cats, I shall play with my prey.
Hey, Kraven, how'd you snare that fragment anyway?
I am not completely ignorant in the ways of modern man, my friend. I secured it all.
I'm Spider-Man, that's what I do. I break pots. Out, not the bait! I could do this all night. And we're off. Ooh, boy. Did you see that? You don't look so good. Now, I want you to lie there and think about your mistakes. not get grabby, kids. I've got enough candy for everybody.
Get behind us! Hit him again!
That'll do. Anybody else?
Where'd you come from? Don't just stand there! That's him! Get him! Hitting him hurts my knuckles.
See ya! Wouldn't want to be ya! Take that! Ooh, is this a private fight, or can I join you? The bigger they are, the more heroic I look defeating them.
No witnesses, no distractions. Here, now, it ends.
For once, you and I are in total agreement.
Shall we resume our dance? Please, you're embarrassing yourself.
I strike from the air!
Be honest, do you think I'd look good with a mustache?
You must try harder than that. Please, you're embarrassing yourself.
Hey Kraven, remember that version of your vest that used to shoot rays from the eyes? That was rich.
You must try harder than that. Slow, too slow. You are no match for me now, Spider-Man. I promise you. To the death!
Looks like the Hunter has become the... well, you get the idea. Yeah. Hunt this!
There was a blow, eh? Be quick, let's... To the death! Please, you're embarrassing yourself.
Try throwing his weapon back at him.
Time to finish it, once and for all. Now die! Slow, too slow. You do not stand a chance. Do you? You must be faster, my friend. Once again, dear friend. I strike from the air. Please, you're embarrassing yourself. Think quickly. Too slow.
Doesn't my outfit chafe?
You must try harder than that.
Hey, Kraven, why don't you make like one of your trophies and get stuffed?
You must be faster, my friend. I strike from the air. You must try harder than that. Touch me. There was a blow, eh? Now you will feel Kraven's wrath. Dance, Spider!
Excellent, Spider-Man. You've done it.
And just in time. If I never hear the word hunt again, it'll be too soon.
Now to the other fragments. The hunt resumes.